Children, in this video we are going to learn about Sage-Stuff rule. So to learn Sage-Stuff rule, we should start from the elimination reaction. That is eliminating hydrogen and OH. Eliminating OH from the alpha carbon and H from the beta carbon. So what is this rule says? Sage-Stuff rule says during elimination reaction, more substituted alkene is formed as a major product. One simple example I'll teach, then I'll go to your book. For example, I'm taking this is 2-bromopentane, 5 carbon atoms, 2-bromopentane. This is the alpha carbon which is having the functional group. Then this carbon is beta as well as this carbon is also beta. This is alpha, both are beta. So removing Br from the alpha and beta, maybe this one or this one, hydrogen is removed. So two products we are getting, two products. If hydrogen is removed from here, HBr removed, so we are getting the product CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. If hydrogen removed from here, what is the product? CH3, CH, double bond CH, single bond CH2, CH3. So after getting, you have to see about the double bond. Here only one alkyl group is attached, propyl. But see here, this is an ethyl group, this is a methyl group. Two alkyl groups present, so this is the major product. Such a way, the Sage-Stuff rule says, during intramolecular dehydration, intramolecular means within the molecule the elimination happens. So during intramolecular dehydration, if there is a possibility to form carbon-carbon double bond at different locations, the preferred location is the one that gives more substituted alkene. That is called the Sage-Stuff rule. So this one common example I have given. Now I'll give another example which is given in your book. Now taking one example, see, this name is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Third carbon, 2 methyl groups are there. Second carbon, 1 OH is there. Totally 4 carbon atoms. So 3, 3 dimethyl. This is the prefix. 2 butan, 1 nol, 2 butanol. Okay. Treated with corn sulfuric acid. H2SO4. First step, this hydrogen attached with this OH. So water molecule removed, the product. See, already OH is there. One more hydrogen from sulfuric acid comes CH. Okay, then next one CH3. Here this water molecule is removed, so we are getting a double bond CH3 C CH3 CH. That is one positive ion CH3. This is the intermediate compound. Now, from this minus H plus, H minus removal of hydrogen atom from the beta carbon. Beta carbon, either this one or this one. So from the beta carbon, that is called beta elimination. So from here, now from here one hydrogen removed. So what is the product? So what is the product? CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH double bond CH2. This is the compound we are getting. Name is 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, dimethyl, but, 1 ene. First carbon having one double bond. Okay. Here only one alkyl substituent. About the double bond, only one alkyl butyl. Okay. Now this is the one way of getting the product. Other way, from here, from this compound, methyl group shifted from here to here, here to here. So what we are getting, see, CH3, C, CH3, one methyl group shifted from here to here. So CH, CH3, here CH3. Okay. Here there are two ways of eliminating beta hydrogen. One removed from here, hydrogen removed from here. So if we are removing hydrogen from here, we are getting CH2 double bond C, CH2, here one hydrogen removed. One hydrogen removed. So CH2 double bond C, CH3, here CH, CH3 twice, CH3 twice. So product name, first carbon, okay, see, this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Otherwise numbering from here, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So second carbon, third carbon having two methyl groups. So 2, 3 dimethyl, first carbon, second carbon. Okay, 2, 3 dimethyl, but 1 ene. This is one of the compound. Okay, next compound. See, if hydrogen removed from here, what is the product we are getting? C double bond C, one hydrogen removed from here. So C double bond C, here two methyl groups, here two methyl groups. So methyl group, methyl group, methyl group, methyl group. So what is the product? 2, 3 dimethyl but 2ene. Now which is the major product? See here, this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 alkyl substituent. Okay, this carbon you see 1, 2, This carbon only one. So which is the major product? This is the major product. 64% we are getting. This is 33% we are getting. Here 3% we are getting. So what is says step rule? The rule says during intermolecular dehydration, that is within the molecule, if there is a possibility to form carbon-carbon double bond at different locations, the preferential location is the one that gives the more substituted alkene.